Hello everyone and welcome to SNDA's online dance academy with me Reshma and Shubhankar. Today we are going to take you through a beginner dance warm-up routine which you can do before attending any dance class or just to simply open up your body. So let's begin. So let's begin. Feet apart, arms on your waist. We're going to start with our neck stretches. Drop your neck to the right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Drop it down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Rotate. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Other side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Finish straight up. Moving on to our shoulder isolations. Rotate back. 2, 3, 4. Moving forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Back. 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Arms swinging back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now swing in front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Open your arms by the side and we are going to do some lateral stretches. So take your right hand and stretch the left side. Keep your hips in center. Don't press your hips to the side. Keep them in the center and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming up. Stretch on the other side. Don't drop your body front or behind. Keep it straight. Arms in line with your ears. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming up. Stretch one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming up. Stretch one last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming up. Moving on to our spine contraction and expand. So you're going to stand straight, contract, bend your knees, tuck your hips in and make a C shape. Slowly expand, push your hips out and look up to the ceiling. Arch your back. Contract one more time, hips tucked in, look at your navel. And expand, look up, arching your spine. One more time, contract and expand. One last time, contracting your spine and looking up, push your hips back. Beautiful, shake it up. Moving on to our plies. So plies mean to simply bend our knees. You're going to stand in first position, turn out your feet and simply bend your knees, going straight down and up. Keep your back straight. Watch this from the side. You're going to bend your knees without pushing your hips back. Keep your hips straight and push up. Bend your knees and push up. So we're going to do demi plie and grand plie. So demi means to bend half and grand means to simply lift a heel and go more down without bending forward and pushing the hips. Keep it straight and then coming up and straight. Yes, let's try to do that in first position and second position. We'll do 4 demi plies and 2 grand plies together. You can keep arms on your waist. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Plie 1 and 2 and 3. Stretch up and 1 and 2. Coming up and here. Beautiful. Second position. Same thing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now going for grand plies. In second position grand plies, you do not lift your heels up. Yes, so you go demi, grand, demi, up, demi, grand, demi, up. Beautiful. Shake it up. Moving on to our lunges now. So Standing straight like this, push your right foot behind into a nice lunge position here. Hold that position for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly place your right heel on the floor and come into warrior pose. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lunge one more time, just for 4 counts now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Warrior pose. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 counts. 1, 2, 1, 2. Single count. 1, 1, 1, 1. Moving on to the other side, left, right foot lunge. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Warrior. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2. And 1, 2. And 1, 1, 1, 1. Beautiful. Come back to lunge. Come up and shake it up. Moving on for our floor exercises now. So you're going to sit down on the floor. Make a circle with the right foot. Place the right knee slowly, carefully. Right hand on the floor. And sit into a diamond position. Yes, nice diamond. Knees down. Keep your back straight and stretch. Press both the knees down on the floor and hold that position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Coming up. Now open your right foot to the side as much as you can. Arms by the side. Hold your ankle with the right hand and left arm coming from up. Stretch in that position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Coming up straight. And get your feet together. Repeating on the left side. And stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Coming up. And close feet together. Let's open both our feet to the side now into a center split. It is totally fine if you cannot open so much. You just have to be relaxed. Keep your back straight. You can use hand support in front or back. Yeah, to stretch higher. Yes, stretch up, open up as much as you can. And stay there, hold. Point your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Arms down. Now we are going to stretch forward. So there are a few steps which we want to do. The first step is just to touch our palms and keep our back straight. This is the first step. If you've achieved this step, you're going to try to place your elbows on the floor with your back straight. You don't want to contract your back this way. Keep your back straight throughout. The next step is you want to stretch your arms forward and try to go down and touch your forehead on the floor. Remember, the back is still straight. You don't want to crunch your back, keep it straight. Don't drop your toes forward, keep your feet pointed. The next step is to touch your chest and your stomach with your chin up. Keep your back absolutely straight. If you cannot achieve this position, don't be discouraged. Keep trying and pushing yourself. Slowly coming up from that position and get your feet together. Shake it up. Moving on to our seated pike stretches. You're going to stretch your back up straight, reach up tall and drop forward. Try to go as far as you can. Doesn't matter if you're here, but you're going to reach forward. Yes, And if you can already touch your toes, you can interlock your fingers this way, here, and place your elbows on the floor. Stretch. Your knees should be absolutely straight. And then slowly coming up. Let's move on for our core exercise now. You're going to lie down on your back very slowly. Keep your knees apart. Don't touch them like this. Keep them nice and relaxed. Lock your fingers behind your head and we are going to do simple crunches. Do not flap your elbows inwards. You want to go straight up and down. Yes, we are going to do 20 crunches today. Ready? And go for it. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly relax. Turn onto your right side and place your palms just below your shoulders. Slowly push up into a cobra pose and stretch your back, stretch all your core muscles. Look up to the ceiling and breathe. Slowly come back, tuck your toes and push back into a child's pose. Stretch your hands, relax your forehead on the floor. Tuck your toes in and slowly roll up. Beautiful, shake it up. And now you are warm enough to practice or attend any dance session you want. I hope you have subscribed to our channel. If you want to attend one-on-one personal online session with any of our SNDA dance artists, log on to our website www.snda.in. Thank you for joining us today.